Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Lavish Look Station, and I hope you are doing well. So now let's start my new video friends. Today I am reviewing the beauty products. Friends, if you are looking to the brighten, this might be a product for you. Let's dive right into the details. First, let's talk about this packaging of this product. This packaging is sachet types in white color and feature the product's name vitamin C brightening anti-aging silk mask prominently displayed. The packaging is very impressive and provide all the necessary details about the products, including its features and directions for use. The packaging is sleek and compact, making it easy to store and use on the go. And friends, now let's talk about the benefits of mask. It's infused with the vitamin C, which help to the brighten your complexion and reduce the dark spots. It also has anti-aging properties, helping to the minimize the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles. And friends, after using the mask, you will notice your skin feels softer, more radiant, and will hydrate it. The vitamin C boosts your skin natural glow, while the anti-aging ingredients fight the signs of aging. And friends, second, let's talk about how to use this mask. Friends, it's super easy. So friends, ensure the face is clean and dry before use. Apply an even coat around the face carefully, avoiding the eyes, lips, and facial hair areas. The eyebrows, allow it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. When the mask is completely dry, peel it off, starting from the bottom and working your way up. Apply a skin moisturizer after use and use 2 to 3 times weekly and best result. And friends, now let's talk about the future of this product. Friends, vitamin C is good for our skin because of its richness and antioxidant. Vitamin C is the main ingredient in our formulation. It can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The antioxidant attacks free radicals, damaging our skin, and improves the skin elasticity. Charcoal also can reduce the inflammation and calm redness of the skin. Due to this property, it can repair damages made by the UV rays and make the skin healthy. It exfoliates the dead skin cells and help to regenerate the new cells. Due to this, it also helps to remove the cellulite from the skin by the hydrating fatty cell and improves blood circulation in the skin to remove it. And friends, now let's talk about possible side effects. Generally, this mask is safe for most skin types, but if you have sensitive skin, I recommend doing a patch test before use it. Some users may experience redness or irritation, especially if you are notice any discomfort. It's best to discontinue use. Overall friends, I think the Bioaqua Vitamin C Brightening and Anti-Aging Silk Mask is a great option if you are looking to boost your skincare routine. It's affordable, easy to use, and gives your skin that the bright youthful glow. Have you tried this mask? Let me know your thought in the comment below. And friends, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare products, reviews, and friends, skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video friends. Allah Hafiz.